Hi viewers, today I am going to show you how to make onion samosas. For making this recipe, you will need 4 to 5 medium sized sliced onions and 4 to 5 green chillies chopped. Chaat masala 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, soji 4 to 5 tablespoon. If you don't have soji, you can use rice flakes. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. This is the mixture of wheat flour or maida flour to close the samosas. Now I am going to add all the ingredients to the onion slices. Add semolina 4 tablespoon to the onion slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Salt as required. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now mix it well. After you finish mixing, start by folding the samosa leaves by this way. I am going to use these type of samosa leaves, frozen samosa leaves for my recipe. Now I am going to fold my samosa leaves by this way. This triangle shape, fold one fold, then second fold, then third fold. Now it is like a pocket. Now I am going to fill the onion mixture inside. 1 tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Make sure that there is no gap from the back side of the samosa leaves. Otherwise, oil get inside. After you are done filling the samosa, close it like this way. Close it tightly without any gap, like this. Now I am going to use this batter to close my samosa. This is the atta batter, atta or maida, any batter you can use to close the samosa. Close it like this. This atta will prevent the sheets from opening. See, look at this. Now my samosa is ready to bake or fry. I'm going to show you how to fry the samosas with the oil. Pour some oil in the kadai and let it heat up. Now the oil is ready. Now I am going to put the samosas in the oil. After 2 minutes, flip the samosas on the other side. Keep cooking till the samosas are golden brown in color. Now keep a kitchen towel on top of the serving plate to soak up the extra oil from the samosas, and then you can serve your samosas. Now my samosas are ready to eat now. Now I am going to show you how to cook the samosas in the DeLonghi multifryer. First, set the multifryer to pan function. Set the timer to 25 and power level 2. Preheat the multifryer for 2 minutes.